You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of the capital city of the country, the island of Samoa. If you want to learn how to pronounce Samoa correctly, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Locally, Samoan pronounced Apia. In English, it's generally pronounced similarly as Apia or Apia as well. English pronunciation Apia or Apia. Samoan Apia. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.